Hit it!
Okay. We're gonna make my version of a fried PB&J, except that there is no peanut butter or jelly in this. This was actually inspired by a trip to Turkey. For breakfast one morning, I had this whole spread, and it was like this pillowy lavash bread with thick yogurt and grape molasses, which is called pekmez, tahini, honey. And I was sort of slathering different combinations. And when I slathered tahini and grape molasses, to me it tasted just like a PB&J. So this is my cultural PB&J. So we're gonna start with a couple pieces of a nice white brioche bread.
Why are you frying it in a pan?
Just like a good grilled cheese, adding a little butter to the bread and toasting it up in the pan. It just adds that detail that takes this sandwich over the top. And I love it. Yeah, there's nothing better with the butter and the tartness from the pomegranate molasses. So fruit molasses, it's cooked down juice of a fruit done during the peak season. I mean, for me, a good pomegranate molasses is like a good balsamic. You can marinate or use it right on a grilled chicken. You can do it over ice cream. It's just fantastic. So we're just letting the butter melt and toasting up the bread at this point.
This is when we talk about sandwiches and why you love them. The in-between time.
Sandwiches are just great. They're portable. They can be really simple and really elegant all at the same time. They're full of carbs, which taste good. That's good. That's a good toast. I don't think it's on that one, but we'll just let that sizzle as like the butter seeps into the bread. It's just good.
Yeah,
it's just good stuff.
That's like sexy DJ music.
Sufficiently buttery toasted bread.
Nice.
What I like to do is put the pomegranate molasses on one side. You can get this I got this at Chelsea Market. You can get it at an ethnic grocer, wherever. It's just kind of thick and rich. Again, it's like a really tasty balsamic, but with that edge of tartness from the pomegranate. So just kind of drizzle that all over your bread. So good.
Corn.
Are you getting the drizzle?
I'm getting the drizzle.
It's really good. On the other side, you can spread your tahini and not make too much of a mess. So again, that goes everywhere. And you want it to be a little bit warm so that tahini kind of melts and gets that thing that you like about a warm PB&J. Let's spread this around. And now to this, just because why not, we're gonna add a little bit of honey. So right on top of that tahini. And finally, just because with the butter and all the rest of the flavors, a little bit of salt. All right, that's it. That's my fried PB&J. No cutting the crusts off, it's a waste. There you go. My name's Aliya Leekong, and this is my fried PB&J.
Yo, thanks for watching. It's Ravi, the Sandwich Serini. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We got a new video each week. If you got a place we should check out, then let me know down in the comments. We love you, and see you next time.
Oh, that's good.
Sandwich vendor.